Hello everyone, myself Sipra Singh. Today I am going to solving question answer of chapter 1 crop production and management for class 8. Here very short answer type questions. Question 1, name the agricultural implements commonly used for sowing the seeds. Answer is seed drill. Next question, would you sow the seeds which float on water? Answer is no. Next question, which crop is grown in rainy season? Answer is kharif crop. Question number 4, what is the rearing of honey bees on large scale called? Answer is apiculture. Question number 5 is name two dairy product. First answer ice cream and second is cheese. Next we come on here. It's short answer questions. Question number 1, mention two advantages of sowing by transplantation. Answer, advantages of sowing by transplantation are: first, it helps to select healthy seedlings. Second, it takes shorter time to yielding the crops. Question 2, how are fertilizers applied to the soil? Answer, fertilizers are applied in band at the bottom of plough furrows, are broadcast, are spread on top of plot soil, that is then worked into the soil with a harrow before planting. Next question is, why should seeds be treated with fungicide before sowing? Answer, seeds are treated with fungicides and other biocidal compound before sowing to disinfect them from soil-borne disease. Next question from short answer question is next. Here, how are perishable foods stored on the commercial scale? Answer is perishable food is stored in huge cooling units for the commercial purpose. These units maintains the temperature which prevents food items from spoilage. Question number 5 related from short answer questions, that is, name the commonly grown cereal crops. Answer is wheat, barley, rice and maize are commonly grown crop. Then wheat, rice, maize are commonly grown cereal crops. Next question related to long answer questions. Question number 1 is describe the two crop season of our country mentioning their period of sowing. Answer, two main crop season of our country are first kharif crop, second rabi crop. Kharif crop start at beginning of southwest monsoon and harvested at the end of season during September. Rabi crops growing in winter season begins at October and harvested at season of March or April. Sowing of kharif crop in June month and harvesting in September, but sowing of rabi crop in October month and harvesting in March month. Next question, why is land plowed and leveled before sowing? Answer, land is plowed before sowing to allow the passage of air through the soil particles and allow percolation of water to the bottommost layer of the soil. The land is leveled so that birds, winds and other agents cannot displace the seeds. Next question related to long answer questions, that is here. Question 3rd is explain transplantation. Which crops are sown by these method? Answer, the seeds of crop are first germinated in nurseries and the transferred to the field. They are not sown by directly in the main field. This is called transplantation. wheat, maize, and some vegetables like cauliflower, tomatoes, cabbage, etc. are sown by this method. Question number 4. What is drip irrigation method? Why is it considered advantageous over other method? Answer. In this method, water is delivered to the plants where it is required. Water is released drop by drop just near the roots of plants. It is considered advantageous over other method because it minimizes water loss through evaporation from surrounding soils. Next questions related to long answer type questions, that is, how does a manure differ from fertilizer? Answer. Some differences between manure and fertilizer are: fertilizer, first, a fertilizer is an inorganic salt, but manure is natural substance which is obtained from dead and decaying substances. Question 2 of question 5 in second. A fertilizer is prepared in factories, but manure cannot be prepared in factories. It prepared in fields. Third one is, it does not provide any humus to the soil, but manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizer, source of water pollution, but manure, non-polluting and maintain the ecosystem. Then we come on, tick the odd one out giving reason. Here, first, tube well, transplantation, drip irrigation. Then answer is transplantation. This is only method to shifting the crops, but everyone related to irrigation method. Second one is trowel, cultivator, plow, dhekli. Here traditional irrigation method, but some are related to preparing the soil. It means next, threshing, winnowing, harvesting, waterlogging. Threshing, winnowing, harvesting, these are soil preparation of soil practices, but waterlogging, collection of water in the crops. This is waterlogging. Next, buffer stock, silos, gunny bags, cold storage. Here, buffer stock, it means collections of large amount of grains, but silos, gunny bags, cold storage, these are places where grains are collected. Next, 5, egg incubator, poultry, milching animals. Here milching animal, it means animal that give milk and milk product, but these three related to chicks. Next, define the terms. Here, horticultural crops. Horticultural crops include vegetable, fruits and flowers. Next one is transplantation, shifting of plants from nursery to the field. Third one is broadcasting, sowing seeds directly by hands is called broadcasting. Fourth, pisciculture, large scale rearing of fish is called pisciculture. Next, 5, cereal crops, crops that yield food obtained like rice, wheat, maize, pulses, oil seeds, etc. Next one, that is higher order thinking skills. Question number 1 is here. What is the organic farming? Organic farming is an alternative agricultural system which originated in the 20th century in reaction to rapidly changing farming practices. Certified organic agriculture accounts for 70 million hectares globally, with over half of that total in Australia. Next question related to higher order thinking skills. What are the drawbacks at seeds being unevenly distributed in a field? Answer. The drawbacks of uneven distribution of seeds in a field are: first, they will compete for water, nutrients and sunlight, that result limited growth. Next one, if they are sown far apart, it will result in the wastage of field area. Next question related to higher order thinking skill is here. Why is the use of biopesticides encouraged over chemical pesticides? Answer is, chemical pesticides are made from harmful chemicals which damages the crops and decreases the crops nutritional value, as well as it also degrades the soil and the soil loses its fertility. That is why it is encouraged to the use biopesticides. Question number 4. What is mulching and its advantages? Answer. Advantages of mulching: encourages microbial activities and worms in favor of soil, suppress growth of weeds, evaporation is reduced, helps to maintain humidity, prevent soil erosion, control weeds and add nutrients to the soil. Question number 5 related to higher order thinking skills is that name the grains which are termed millets: pearl millet, bajra, thinai millet, ज्वार, ragi, sorghum. Then we come on exercise here. This is exercise related to quick assignment. The crop where transplantation is necessary, that is paddy. The most common weeds which grows almost with all the crop is, that is amaranthus. The nitrogen deficiency of soil can be met by using the principle of what? The method deficiency soil can be made up by using the principle of nitrogen deficiency crop rotation. DDT, BSC and malathion belong to insecticides. The rearing of honeybees on large scale is called apiculture. Write one word: the crop grown during winters, kharif crops. The process of removing weeds from a crop, weeding. A man-made inorganic compound which supplied specific nutrients. A man-made inorganic compound, that is fertilizer. Rearing cattle for producing milk and milk product, that is dairy farming. Rearing and breeding of birds like hen, ducks for eggs and meat are poultry. Then here matching. This is Rabi crops related to winter. This is the ploughing, that is done with cultivator. Scarecrow, crop protection. Poultry, that is chickens. Apiculture, honeybees. Then we come on chapter based practice paper here. The process of loosening and upturning of the soil is what? That method is ploughing. Next, The chemical which can kill pests but do not harm the plants are what? That is pesticides. Fill in the blanks. Seed drill is used for sowing the seeds. Here, sowing. Next, the process of separating grains from chaff and with the help of wind is called winnowing. The wild plants which grow along with the main crop are, that is, wheat. Rust and smut are fungal disease of wheat. Shifting of teeny plants from nursery to the main field is called transplantation. True false here? This is true false. Water crops are known as rabi crops. Winter crops is known as rabi crops. That is false. Food grains can be safely stored just after harvesting and threshing. False. A machine called combine is used both for harvesting and threshing. True. The crop that does not need standing water is paddy. False. Fish nurseries are called hatcheries. That is true. That's enough. Thank you.